पावर एजुकेशन पॉइंट चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है एक नए वीडियो में। आज हम लोग देखेंगे यूपी बोर्ड क्लास 12 एनसीईआरटी बुक राजीव प्रकाशन की, उसमें विस्तार सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर में आपका सेकंड चैप्टर द टाइगर किंग है। आज इस चैप्टर का हम लोग लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। तो आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन नॉट मोर देन 115 वर्ड्स ईच। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, हु वाज द टाइगर किंग, व्हाट वेयर हिज अदर नेम्स, हाउ वाज ही नेम्ड एज द टाइगर किंग। तो टाइगर किंग कौन था, उसके दूसरे नाम क्या थे, उसका नाम टाइगर किंग क्यों पड़ा, कैसे पड़ा। आंसर लिखेंगे, द महाराजा ऑफ प्रतिबंधमपुरम वाज द टाइगर किंग। हिज अदर नेम वेयर हिज हाइजनेस जमींदार जनरल खेलदर मेजर सतावज्ञा समाहरी महाराजा धीराज भुवन सम्राट सर जिलानी जंग बहादुर MAD ACTC और CRCK, but this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. He got the name of the Tiger King because when he was born, the astrologer foretold that his death would come from a tiger. When the king came at the age of 20 years, he came to know about this forfeit. There were many forests in his state. The Maharaja started tiger hunting. He was thrilled beyond the measure when he killed his first tiger. He showed it to the state astrologer, but the state astrologer said, "Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in the same manner, but you must be very careful with the 100th tiger." The Maharaja decided to kill 100 tigers first before doing anything else. Tiger hunting was banned by anyone except the Maharaja. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखते हैं लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन का। हाउ वाज द क्रोन प्रिंस जिलानी जंग बहादुर ब्रॉट अप, व्हाई डिड ही कॉल द स्टेट एस्ट्रोलॉजर, व्हाट डिड द एस्ट्रोलॉजर से। शाही राजकुमार जंग बहादुर को कैसे पाला गया, उसने राज्य की ज्योतिषी को क्यों बुलाया, ज्योतिषी ने क्या कहा। आंसर लिखेंगे, द क्रोन प्रिंस ऑफ जिलानी जंग बहादुर ड्रैंक द मिल्क ऑफ एन इंग्लिश काउ, वाज ब्रॉट अप बाय एन इंग्लिश नैनी, टॉटरियोड इंग्लिश बाय एन इंग्लिश मैन, saw nothing but English films. Day by day, the Tiger King grew taller and stronger. Like this, the Tiger King was brought up. When the Jilani Jang Bahadur killed his first tiger, he was very thrilled. He called the state astrologer to show him the dead tiger. The state astrologer said, "Your Majesty may kill 99 tigers in the same manner, but you must be very careful with the 100th tiger." The Maharaja decided to kill 100 tigers first before doing anything else. Tiger hunting was banned by anyone except the Maharaja. The astrologer had predicted that the newly born prince would grow up to become two heroes of heroes, warrior of the warriors, champion of the champions. He had also predicted that the baby was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore, he would die because of the tiger. Question number 3. What was the vow of the Maharaja? How did he fulfill it and what dangers did he face? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, महाराजा का प्रण क्या था, उसने वह कैसे पूरा किया और उसने किन खतरों का सामना किया। तो आंसर लिखेंगे, एज द चीफ एस्ट्रोलॉजर had foretold that the king would die because of a tiger, and once he said that the king should be very careful with 100 tigers. When the king came to know about it, he decided to kill 100 tigers to save his life and to prove the astrologer wrong. The new vowed that he would attend to all the matters only after killing the 100 tigers. He tried to fulfill his vow just by killing 100 tigers, but he killed 99 tigers as the 100 tiger was not killed by him. When the king took aim the 100 tiger, the bullet missed the target. But the king thought that the 100 tiger and died. When the hunters took a closer look at the 100 tiger, they found the tiger was not dead as the king missed the aim. Finally, one of the hunter took aim and shot the tiger. There were some danger which had to the face the king in the tiger hunting. Sometimes the bullet missed the target and the tiger would leap on him and he would have to fight the tiger with his bare hands. But each time it was the king who won. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखते हैं. What happened when there remained only one tiger to complete the counting of 100th? What reaction did the minions and public face due to Maharaja's rage? How did Dewan handle the situation? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्या हुआ जब 100 की गिनती पूरी करने में केवल एक ही बाघ रह गया था? महाराजा के क्रोध के कारण सेवकों तथा प्रजा के कितनी प्रतिक्रियाओं का सामना किया? दीवान ने स्थिति को कैसे संभाला? तो आंसर लिखेंगे, when there remained only one tiger to complete the counting of 100, the Maharaja anxiety reached a fever pitch. As the Maharaja has killed 99 tigers, he was to kill just one more tiger to complete his total of 100 tigers. He was very anxious and curious to kill the 100 tiger. But in spite of being in the forest for many days, the king was unable to find the 100 tigers, so his fury and obstinately mounted alarmingly. The minions and the public had to the face Maharaja's rage because many officers lost their jobs, and the king ordered the Dewan to double the land tax and the resign from the post. The Dewan managed the situation to find the 100 tiger just by bringing a tiger from People's Park in Madras. It was a very old tiger. Question number 5. How did the 100 tiger take its revenge? Was the king dead? How explain? 100वें बाघ ने अपना बदला कैसे लिया? क्या राजा मर गया? कैसे व्याख्या कीजिए? आंसर लिखेंगे, द 100 tiger which was a toy tiger won his son third birthday by the Maharaja bought a wooden toy tiger for his son as a birthday gift. One day while the Maharaja was playing with it with his son, one of its silver prized his right hand. He pulled it out with his left hand and continued to play with his son. The next day, infection flared in the Maharaja's right hand, and in 4 days, it spread all over his arm. 3 famous surgeons were brought in from Madras, and after consultation, they decided to operate. The operation took place, but the king was dead. In this manner, the 100 tigers took its revenge upon the tigers. तो आज के इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आप लोग फ्लेमिंगो के प्रोज, पोएट्री और सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर के प्लेलिस्ट देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल पावर एजुकेशन पॉइंट चैनल पे वहाँ पे प्लेलिस्ट बना के रखी गई है, आप वहाँ पर देख सकते हैं। अन्यथा आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मैं दे दे रहा हूँ, आप वहाँ से भी जाके देख सकते हैं। तो आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे हम लोग चैप्टर 3 जनवरी टू द एंड ऑफ द अर्थ वाले चैप्टर में, उसका शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। पावर एजुकेशन पॉइंट चैनल।